Hey YouTubers, this is SDK Boy 1028 here showing you a instructional video on how to change your ROM, load a custom ROM for the HTC HD2. So as you see, I have the current version of August 1st of Energy's ROM, August 1st. So we're gonna run August 4th, the latest run. Just a video to show you how to do it. So let's get started. So we'll go to the home screen, and let's go to the File Explorer. And as you see, we have Leo IMG as the image. So now the first thing we have to do is turn off the phone. Basically, that's what we're gonna do. I just want to show you that the image was there. So we're gonna turn off the phone. And as soon as it turns off, okay, there we go, it's turned off. So now what we're going to do is we're going to press the power and the volume button down at the same time. Volume down and the power button at the same time. And there we go, that's the bootloader. And now it's loading, there we go, leoimg.mbh. Now we press the power button to change the ROM. There we go, updated progress. So now it is currently updating to the latest ROM. So basically, in order to change a ROM, what you have to do is you have to unlock the phone, and you have to download that software from ppcgeeks.com. It's an unlocker specially made for the HD2, and this is the thing. There are two types of unlockers. One for radio version 2.10 and 2.08, I believe, and also the latest version of the stock HD2 ROM, which I think is 2.13, but since this phone, when I got it, it had 2.13. I had to get the latest one, which is HSLP3. That's the name of the unlocker. So once we get that, basically what you have to do, hook up your phone via Active Sync to your laptop. Depending on if you have Windows 7 Vista, you have Mobile Device Center, and on Windows XP you have Active Sync. So once you do that, you have to run the software, the HSLP3, and then your phone will have will turn on the boot screen, right? You'll be on the bootloader screen, and then it's gonna start doing the process, which will take about 5 minutes. Once it's done, you will have a screen that will say, "Congratulations, we did it." And that's it. Your phone will reset, and everything will be the same. You'll just be unlocked then, and then from there on, you could just download your ROMs from PPC Geeks. Thanks to all the cooks out there that are making excellent ROMs for the HD2, and just download the ROMs, and then just flash them the way I'm doing it right now. You could also do it. You could also flash a ROM from the computer, but the safest way to flash a ROM is via SD card. That's recommended because, I heard that if you're flashing a ROM on the computer and something goes wrong on the computer or something else, you can have a bricked phone. So we don't want that. So the safest way is to do it on the SD card. And also you have to have your memory card. You have to have it formatted FAT32. You can do that by hooking up your HTC HD2 via USB to your laptop, and select USB mode or mass mode. So you can see your files on the SD card. Make sure you don't have anything on your SD card, because once you format it on the computer, you'll lose everything. So either make up a backup copy or have a memory card just blank. And what you will do is you will go to you will go to the start button on your computer, click on my computer or computer, right click on whatever drive letter the memory card is, and then format. And then the little window will pop out of format. Select format type and select FAT32 and do the quick format. You know, if you have a if you have an option for regular format, select it. You know, it doesn't really matter. So once you format the memory card FAT32, which will take about like 10 seconds, everything will you will be able to change ROMs from your SD card. But if you don't, you will have an error. So that's how you that is the process on how you could change your ROMs. How you have to do it. So let's see. This is almost done right here. There we go. Leo.nbh okay, OS okay. So see, update complete. So depending on the ROM you have, some will take longer as usual. We're flashing Energy's DNIC version of the ROM. So what you have to do now, once it says successfully completed, you have to take out the battery. It won't reset itself, so you have to take out the battery, right? Now we put it back in. I recommend taking out the memory card once you're done flashing the ROM, because you know it's better. You never know because you have to hard reset right now. Once you hard reset, you never know if your files may delete from memory card too. So to hard reset, you press the volume up and volume down buttons at the same time, and the power button at the same time. So all three of them. You press them, and you will have the bootloader screen again, but then quickly it will say, this operation will delete all your personal data and reset all your settings to manufacturer default. Press volume up to restore. So that's what we'll do. Press volume up, and we see we're hard resetting. We hard reset because sometimes the old files will stay when flashing new ROM, sometimes, you know, just to clear everything up, so it would be nice and fast. So now we press volume up to reset the phone, and usually I would hard reset about 5 times just to make sure that none of the files from the old ROM stay there. So, you know, whatever you want, you can do it 1 time, 5 times, 10 times, but you know, I do it 5 times just to make sure. So now we reset. Let's see, okay, we're going to do it one more time just to make sure. Every time you hard reset, that little bar goes a little faster sometimes. So, okay, now we reset the phone and we will load our ROM. And now you can put your memory card back, you know, just to have it there, to put it back. Okay, so let's wait for the new ROM to load. See, and see, that's Energy's ROM, and you know, it will take a little bit to start, not too long, a little bit to start the first time, and then from there on, you know, it's all good. So you can get all your ROMs, Android ROM 2 at ppcgeeks.com. Let's see, the Unlocker 2, ppcgeeks.com also, you can get it there. Look for, or also at xdadevelopers.com. You can also get it there too. Alright, here we see starting up. Also the Unlocker, you know, you can get it there. And the ROMs too. So let's see. Starting up. There we go. Okay. So you see, there we go. It's starting up right now. So I don't know if we'll have enough time to show you how the ROM looks. Okay, hold on. Let's see. We have about 10 seconds left. Alright, 9 seconds. But anyway, so this is how you flash a custom ROM. and stay tuned for any other videos.